Hey, this is Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. We're giving you a look at Everdure's gas grill collection. It is available in the 2-burner as well as a 3-burner, so we have a couple different sizes to choose from. Wanted to talk to you about some of the features that we really like about it, what kind of sets it apart. So the idea with Everdure is they're kind of known for their chef who likes to cook really high quality steaks. So the number one way you cook really high quality steaks is having your grill really hot. So the idea is to get these burners as close to the cooking grid as possible. So we'll start with the hood. The hood here is all aluminum, so it's a very thick piece of aluminum, and it's going to hold itself up there. So it is a nice, easy to use hood. Then we have our cast iron plates here. The idea with the cast iron is these are going to simulate the burner shape, so that diverts grease away. Because it is so hot, we don't want a lot of grease fires when you're cooking, so this helps divert the grease. These cast iron plates are also under a 5-year warranty. We look at the grill, the cooking grid itself. You can see they're very close to the cooking grid, and then the burners have top holes. So the top holes do a couple things. One, it helps make sure that we have really hot cooking surface, and then simultaneously, in conjunction with the cast iron tops, it also protects them from being clogged, while simultaneously allowing for a good sear on your grill. Also, what's really cool is that these side shelves collapse, so that's very easy to use. And then one thing we'll show you the different features, but these basically have 3 settings. We have a full standalone series, but it's also 3 grills in one. So we basically get 3 grills in one. So this will literally just lift right off the stand. Then now you have a tabletop setting. And then if you wanted even to go one step further, this lifts up and we have tailgating legs in here. Now it becomes even more portable as a tailgater. So that's what's really cool about it, is the 3 grills in one without buying any extra adapters or things like that. So again, we have a freestanding, we have a tabletop, and then a tailgater grill as well. And this is available in a 2-burner or a 3-burner. So this is the gas series by Everdure. We really like it. It fills a niche, kind of a medium price product range, but a very high quality, good warranty for what you're getting. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.